copying and pasting the same button styles over and over again. You add padding, a background, a corner radius, and then you do it all again for the next button. And the next. It clutters your code, and when your designer asks for a small change, it becomes a nightmare, finding and replacing every single instance. Hello folks, and welcome to my channel. There is a much better way, a powerful, clean, and reusable way. By the end of this video, we will learn how to define a button style once and reuse it everywhere with a single line of code. We will cover creating your own custom styles, handling press state, and I will even show you the latest and greatest styling technique introduced by Apple, like the new glass style. Let's level up your SwiftUI game. The secret to clean, reusable button styling is a protocol called ButtonStyle. Think of it like a style template or a CSS class. You put all your modifiers inside this template, give it a name, and then apply that template to any button you want. So instead of this cluttered mess, your code will look like this. See how much cleaner that is? Let's build our first one right now. Okay, in a new Swift file, we will create a struct and call it primary button style. The crucial step is to make it conform to the button style protocol. Xcode will immediately tell us we are missing something, which is perfect. We need to implement one required function, makeBody. This function is where all the magic happens. The makeBody function gives us this configuration parameter. The configuration holds the button label. That's the text or icon inside, and most importantly, its current state. Let's add the modifier we had before, but this time we apply them to configuration label. This is great, but the button should feel interactive. It should react when you press it. This is where button style really shines. The configuration has a boolean property called isPressed. We can use this to change the style dynamically. Let's make the button shrink and fade slightly when you press it. It's a classic, satisfying effect. We will use a simple check. If configuration isPressed is true, we set the opacity to 80% and the scale to 95. Otherwise, we use the default values. We add a simple animation to make the change smooth. Now let's apply it and see the result. And just like that, with one line of code, our button is fully styled and interactive. Now we can apply this to all our buttons for a perfectly consistent look and feel. Okay, you have mastered the fundamentals. Now let's talk about some of the more modern built-in style that can save you even more time. First up, bordered and borderedProminent. These are fantastic for standard actions. Bordered gives you a subtle, tinted outline, while borderedProminent provides a solid feel. They are perfect for standard forms and actions. Next, the showstopper introduced with iOS 26, the dot class button style. This gives your buttons stunning, translucent material effect that adapts to the content behind it. It's a must-have for creating modern, layered interface. This next one is less about looks and more about intelligence. You can assign a button rule to tell the system the button's purpose. For example, adding rule that destructive to a delete button. SwiftUI now knows this is a dangerous action and will automatically style it appropriately, like making it red in alert to warn the user. Always use rules when you can. Want to take it one step further? Your custom style can read from SwiftUI environment. For example, you can read the built-in is enabled state. This allows your style to automatically change its appearance when the button is disabled, without you having to write any extra logic at the call side. See, we just add the environment property, adjust our modifier, and our button style is now smart enough to handle its own disabled state. This is incredibly powerful for creating truly robust and decoupled components. So let's recap. Stop styling buttons manually. Use the button style protocol to create clean, reusable, and dynamic styles that will make your code a joy to work with and your app look pixel perfect. If this video helped you level up your SwiftUI skills, hit that like button and subscribe for more advanced SwiftUI tutorials, just like this one. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy coding!